Hey, it's time for Money Tuesday, and as you file your taxes, we're on your side to make sure you're aware of an earned income tax credit worth almost $7,000. That got your attention? Joining us to explain more is Stewart Welch from the Welch Group. Good to see you.
Yeah, so I think the message here, there's free money from Uncle Sam, and maybe you're not eligible, but I want people to think about who they know that might be, whether it might be a sibling or a friend or a coworker, or it could be a grandparent helping raise a grandchild. So be thinking about that as we go through this.
So we're talking about the earned income tax credit, and there are qualifications for this. Explain some of those.
Yeah, so I think it's mostly income related. So if if you have an income of $39,000 or less, and you have what I call 3 qualifying children, so that would be dependents, then you're eligible for a credit of up to $6,900. And that income begins to drift down if you have 2 qualifying children and an income of around $55,000. You qualify for about $6,000 in credits. And then if you drop to 1 child, qualifying child with income around $49,000, your tax credit's like $3,700. And there can be no children, but if your income is under $22,000, you qualify for $560.
And I just want to make sure, the first number you mentioned, you said 39,000. Did you mean 59,000?
I mean 59.
Okay, I just want to make sure. 59,187 or less. Yep. Again, that's for, and then 53,057 for somebody filing single. But this is money that's out there, and there are different ways that you could take advantage of this depending on your situation.
It is, and I think some people don't have to file a tax return, but you must file a tax return in order to get this credit. And if you have investment income, that investment income cannot exceed $10,300. And by the way, just kind of a footnote, those children have to have a Social Security number. Now, most do, but if they don't qualify for that.
All right. Anything else people need to know? Because, I mean, a lot of people are getting busy to get their taxes in. We got about a minute left if you want to share something else. And there's more information, obviously, you can get from the IRS's own website.
Well, I think you want to get your tax advisor involved if you think you might qualify, because it's pretty technical. And I think really just think about, who do you know? If it's not you, who do you know? Because you will know somebody, and there's an estimated 6 million people out of 30 million that qualify, 6 million that are going to miss out on this because they actually just don't know about it.
So chances are you know somebody, maybe you can qualify. You definitely want to spread the word, because you don't want the government to keep that money, right? It's your money.
Well, you can be a hero to somebody, because it's a lot of money, and it can be $5,000 or $6,000. It's a big number.
That's a lot. Stewart Welch from the Welch Group. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mike.
All right, we got a lot ahead on the Good Day Buzz.